Ladies and gentlemen, I know all of you remember how the Haitians were treated at the border. A far cry from how the ones from South America are treated. This, I think, got the attention of America when they saw these pictures coming out. And I know we all did videos on it back when it happened in 20, I think this was like 2021, y'all. So now there is an advocacy group that is suing the Biden administration over the treatment of Haitian migrants at the US Mexico border in Del Rio, Texas. Is hopeful after the case saw its first legal proceeding before a federal judge, since a potential class action lawsuit was filed in 2021. Last week, during a status conference, U.S. District Court Judge Gia M. Cobb set a March 8th deadline for the Haitian Bridge Alliance, which is representing 11 Haitians who were accused. They are accusing the government of mistreatment and racial discrimination while in U.S. custody. We were really excited to have this hearing and to be able to get a sense of what the courts is thinking and to try to get a schedule moving forward to move this case along, said Nicole Phillips, an attorney for Haitian Bridge Alliance. So the Biden administration sought to dismiss the case, which was filed in Washington, D.C. on December 20th, 2021. However, on Thursday, Cobb allowed the Haitian Bridge Alliance to amend its complaint after Title 42, a significant policy at the center of the lawsuit, ended on May 11th, 2023, due to a separate court order. Now, the infamous photographs which we all saw. All right. So now they're saying that the U.S. Border Patrol agent on horseback on September 19th, 2021, the photos appeared to show the border agents using the horse's reins to hit Joseph. The image drew public outrage, including from elected and community leaders who felt the photographs hearkened back to the days of slavery and racial subjugation, though the Biden administration maintains that an internal investigation concluded that border agents did not whip migrants with horse reins. The lawsuit said, which names President Joe Biden and other Biden officials as defendants. All right. The claim that Joseph was assaulted and that the horse mounted patrol officer lashed at him with reins, attempted to drag him back into the water, and nearly trampled him. While coverage of the incident in the Del Rio has primarily focused on whether or not Joseph and other migrants were actually whipped by Border Patrol, attorneys for Haitian Bridge Alliance make clear that the substance of the case goes much deeper. Their constitutional rights were violated and they were discriminated against because of their race, Phillips says. A spokesperson for Joseph, who was deported back to Haiti back in 2021, the incident, but now lives in the US. What happened to him is what happened to Black people in the United States every day. The lawsuit argues that Joseph and thousands of other Haitian migrants are subject to inhumane conditions while being held at a makeshift U.S. Customs Border Protection encampment. So they said the children were denied adequate food, water, and medical services. Joseph and other Haitian male migrants crossed back over to the Mexican side of the border to retrieve food for their family. As they made their way back to the US side, they were stopped by border officers atop horses. Now, viral photographs captured some of what happened next. So, a report from the investigation conducted by the Department of Homeland Security watchdog concluded that Border Patrol agents employed unnecessary use of force while interacting with Haitian migrants. There was no evidence the migrants were struck by horse reins. Based on interviews with the Border Patrol officers and journalists present at the time. The report also concluded that border officers acted in an unprofessional manner, yelling at a male migrant, "This is why your country is S." Phillips said that the government internal investigation into the incident holds no validity because officials failed to interview Joseph and other Haitian migrants about their experience. She also accused the administration of ghosting the group after the two sides made contact amid the lawsuit. So, well, I'm not surprised this is happening, and there is a difference in how migrants are treated. We certainly are seeing it with these migrants from Venezuela. It's almost like I said, up in here, they're Teflon John. No crime apparently can stick to them. But y'all, you're going to have to tell me what you think about this video. I mean, it is a trip, and I know a lot of people were outraged when this whole thing happened with the Haitians. And I believe it happened at a time when we were just coming out of the lockdown and we saw these things occurring. And a lot of people were outraged over what they saw. But y'all, please tell me what you think about this video. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.